Hello sa lahat ng aking mga minamahal na kapatid na star viewers. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Sana kayo ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. So, ang reading natin ngayon is, you know what? Sabit lang. Anyway, hindi ko pa alam talaga ang reading natin ngayon. So, meron ditong tayo pagpipilian. Okay, so Spirit Guardian Angels, ano ang dapat nating reading at this moment? Okay, whenever they watch this video, if you guys happen na this video cross and any of your social media, meaning you have a message here, okay? Spirit Guardian Angels, ano ang dapat mensahe dito or reading natin ngayon? Who are you? Okay? So meron ditong ipapaalala, okay? May papapaalala si universe para sa iyo. Okay? Tanungin mo siguro tinatanong mo sarili mo. Sino ka nga ba talaga? Okay? Alright, Spirit Guardian Angels, let's do the reading to all my tarot viewers. Alright, let me know, okay, ano ang dapat nilang malaman at moment or sino ang ating mga viewers ngayon? Sino ang ating mga viewers? Spirit Guardian Angels, who are my viewers? Okay, you guys have this King of Cups. Okay, you guys have a big heart, emotionally. Okay, napaka-emotional ninyo. Okay, mahilig kayong tumulong, kayo ay, you are a loving parent, okay? Yeah. Yeah, you guys are missing your someone, okay? I'm hearing like someone you miss so much. Alright, Spirit Guardian Angels, who are file number? Wala namang file, diba? So, sino ba? Ano ba to? Ten of Swords. Okay. Justice. So, meron siguro ditong nag-i-end na relationship. Okay? So, meron ditong paalala. Okay? Parang pinapaalala ni universe sa inyo, sino ka nga ba? Okay? Okay? Or, meron ditong, sino ka nga ba? Sorry guys, medyo magulo. Okay? Kasi maraming energy na kukuha natin dito. Siguro, pinapaalala ni universe sa inyo, you are the King of Cups, you are the Justice. Okay? And we have here the Ten of Swords. Siguro feeling mo down ka. Okay? Feeling mo lahat ng mga tao, parang everybody are against you. Okay? Parang nawawalan ka na ng pag-asa. Parang nauubos na yung energy mo. Pagod na pagod ka. Lahat sinusuportahan mo, napaka-emotional mo. Siguro yung iba dito parang umiiyak na lang sa gilid. Or sa, parang meron ditong, most likely parang ang nanonood dito sa ating sa video na ito, meron ditong long distance. Lalong-lalo na kung ikaw ay OFW, it doesn't have to be. Hindi lahat ha. So again, this is a general reading. Just take what's yours. If not, then leave the rest. Kasi hindi ito lahat para sa iyo. Okay? Kung talagang minsan ito para sa iyo, then take it. If not, para ito sa iba. Okay? Wag lang tayong bitter ha. So, yeah. Ipinapalala sa iyo ni universe, siguro you are feeling down. Okay? Feeling mo parang wala namang nagmamahal sa iyo, wala namang nakakaalala sa iyo. Okay? Kaya siguro lately parang umiiyak ka na lang, iniiyakan mo lahat ng problema mo. Kahit na parang nagdudurugo na, meron din nagdudurugo na or dumudugo na. Okay? Nasasaktan ka na. Guys, be careful ha. I'm also hearing like, be careful, mag-iingat kayo. Okay? Mag-iingat kayo because I'm getting like, do not let anybody to stab you behind your back. Okay? Yeah. Kasi meron ditong, I'm hearing like, there's like a group of people, okay, na parang against you, and you feel it. Okay? Nararamdaman mo yun. Yeah, nararamdaman mo yun. And it's not just like, physically nasasaktan ka nila. Okay? And, okay, isa-isahin ko na lang yung energy muna. Meron dito mag-ingat ka during at night. Okay? Kasi meron ditong baka magugulpi ka sa gabi or during at night, sa dilim. Mag-ingat-ingat ka. This is also a warning. Meron tayong ditong warning na mensahe dito ni universe para sa iyo. Okay? So if it happen na napanood mo ito, this is a warning for you. Okay? From your spirit guides. Okay? Na mag-ingat-ingat ka sa gabi or sa dilim. Huwag magpupunta sa dilim kasi meron ditong a group of people na gugulpihin ka. Okay? So mag-ingat-ingat. Okay? Mag-ingat-ingat ka. So the second energy that I'm getting as well, physically, you are tired. Okay? You are tired physically, emotionally. Siguro I'm hearing like this is also related to your relationship or work related. Okay? This could be work or relationship. Okay? Hindi lang sa meron dito sa it could be sa studies, sa pag-aaral or whatever activities that you are in. Kung ano yung mga ginagawa mo sa buhay na ikaw ay pagod na physically, emotionally, most likely sa emotion ka pagod eh. Okay? You are tired. Kasi minsan parang pagka pagod na pagod ng emosyon mo, parang lahat na, pati yung buong katawan mo napagod din. Parang buong katawan mo nasali din. Okay? Yeah. Na nasasaktan ka na, parang lahat against you, parang the world's against you, yung nararamdaman mo. Pagod na pagod ka na, lahat ginagawa mo. So again, this is a reminder for you, okay? Paalala ng universe for you, who are you? Okay? My star viewers, who are you? Okay? Huwag mong isipin itong ending. Okay? Yeah, you will get the justice. Okay? You are holding your power. See? You are holding your power. You need to remember you are holding you need to remember na magbabalanse. Meron ditong balancing. Okay? So ipinapaalala ng universe sa iyo, ano ka nga ba? Sino ka nga ba? Okay? Hindi ka talunan. Okay? Yes, you have a big heart. Tumutulong ka sa kapwa. Meron kang sinusuportahan dito. Huwag mawala ng pag-asa. So this is a reminder for you from the universe, huwag kang mawala ng pag-asa. Who are you? Tanungin mo sarili mo, sino ka nga ba talaga? You are not a loser. Hindi ka loser. Okay? Palaban ka. Lumaban ka. File number, wala namang number dito. Ano ba yan? Anyway, lumaban ka to all my beloved kapatid na viewers. Okay? Yes, lumaban ka. Meron ditong paperwork na dapat mong, siguro you are signing a new paperwork or kung ikaw ay pagod na sa trabaho o sa relationship, okay? Lumaban ka. This is not the end of the world. Kung hindi ka happy sa kinaroroonan mo ngayon, okay? Lumaban ka. Meron pang ibang opportunity. Be balanced. Okay? Kailangan maging balanced ka sa ginagawa mo sa buhay. Okay? Kung hindi ka masaya sa trabaho mo, then sign another contract. You are holding your power. Okay? The justice. You are holding the power. Lumaban ka. Okay? Pag ikaw ay lumalaban, you are holding the answer. Success. Manifestation. Victory. Okay? Yeah. So lumaban ka. Okay? You are a fighter, not a loser. So this is like a main message for you from the universe. Hindi ka loser. Okay? At huwag kang magpapadala ng iyong mga emosyon minsan. Kasi minsan, sa emosyon, pag nadadala ka ng emosyon mo, yan, parang bumagsak ka na lang. Okay? So you are a fighter. Kaya mo yan. Hindi naman na, kasi minsan, parang gusto natin umiyak, it's okay. Iiyak mo yan lahat. But then tomorrow, you might be crying right now, and then tomorrow, it's time to get up. Continue. Manifestation. Okay? Continue signing a new contract. Siguro meron itong ang ending ng relationship. Okay? So it's not because na may ending na relationship. Okay? It's not because may ending na relationship, yun na. No. Meron pang ibang dapat na gawin na siyang that your life must go on. Continue ang iyong buhay. Okay? So, it's not because na may mga taong walang pakialam sa iyo. No, meron ding mga tao sa paligid mo na mahal ka, namimiss ka, appreciated you who you are. Okay? Yeah, so hindi dapat nakafocus sa isang bagay, ano? So, again, pinapaalala ng universe sa iyo, who are you? What are you? Okay? See? Judgment. Most likely, this is really an angel message. Itong reading na ito ay mensahe from your guardian angel. as a reminder, okay? To all my kapatid na viewers, who are you? Okay? This is a calling. This is a reminder calling for you. Who are you? Okay? I'm getting like a number 10, 10, 10. This is like a completion. Okay? So there could be an ending and there is a new beginning for you. It's not because, again, as a reminder, hindi dahil may nag-end, katapusan na ng lahat. There's another chance, okay? May chance, a new beginning. Okay? So lumaban ka, kaya mo yan. Okay? Justice, a new contract, paperwork to do. May dapat kang gagawin na kontrata. May kontrata ka. Dapat siguro meron ditong kontrata na gusto mo ma-end dahil pagod na pagod ka na, then speak up. Okay? Yeah, speak up. Sabihin mo, or kung may mga reklamo kang sasabihin sa katrabaho mo, sa kaklase mo, okay, sa partner mo, speak up. It's time to speak up the truth because justice is telling the truth. Okay? Yeah, you only tell the truth. Speak the truth. Kung ano nararamdaman mo sa emosyon mo, pagod na pagod ka, lahat sabihin mo. It's okay. Kaya mo yan. You are holding the truth. You are holding your justice. Okay? Hawak-hawak mo ang iyong mga, lahat ng mga kasagutan. Okay? Ikaw ang humahawak ng buhay mo. So it's up to you. Okay? Kasi kanya-kanya tayo ng di ba, kung paano natin i-handle yung buhay natin. So, hindi pwede na nagkaroon ka lang ng problema, wala na, give up ka na. No. Again, this is a calling from your guardian angel, from the universe. Who are you? Okay? A reminder. Hindi ka loser. Okay? Lumaban ka. Yeah. Lumaban ka at siguro nagkaroon ka ng separations. Okay? Most likely, meron ditong napaka-strong message a separation from your loved ones. Okay? Hold on. Okay. So, yes, maybe siguro nasasaktan ka pagka nakikita mo yung partner mo or your ex na merong iba. So again, hindi ito kawalan. Okay? Meron pang ibang opportunity dyan para sa'yo. Okay? So wag kang ma-stuck. Wag kang masaktan. I mean, normal naman talagang nasasaktan, but this is a calling from the universe to remind you, sino ka nga ba? Okay? You don't have to change the past. Siguro, until now, okay, humuhugot ka pa rin sa iyong nakaraan. There's a brighter future for you. Okay? May mas maganda pang opportunity para sa iyo. Another family. Okay? May chance pa para magkaroon ka ng panibagong pamilya, panibagong grupo, panibagong best friend, panibagong success sa trabaho. This is abundance, 4 of Wands. You are destined to have this abundance. Okay? So again, i-manifest mo. Okay? I-manifest mo. Okay? I am the justice. I am receiving the abundance from the universe. I am blessed. Ganun dapat eh. Hindi yung focus ka dito. Kasi ang dami ditong focus sa sakit ng katawan, sakit ng ulo. Again, pagka hindi magandang pakiramdam nyo sa pangangatawan ninyo, uminom kayo ng gamot, magpapadoktor kayo. Hindi yung higa-higa kayo, wala kayong ginagawa. This is calling, a calling from the universe. Tinatawag kayo ng universe, oh. Okay? So, dapat lang talaga na, you know what guys, lately talagang, I'm getting like different image. Nakakuha ko ng ibang klaseng image. So, pinapupray ko sa Panginoon, baka ito yung mga guides ninyo na tinatawag ako na I have to do this job, okay? As a messenger for you, okay? Na tinatawag ako ng spirit guides ninyo na it's time to do this reading, okay? Yeah, siguro talagang meron akong time na, or lately, kakauwi ko lang din kasi, emotionally, I'm stressed, okay? Yeah, so this is also a calling na I have to do this, okay? It's like a reminder for you, who are you, okay? So, yes, sino nga ba talaga tayo? Okay? So, meron din tayong itong, it's a higher calling. Tinatawag tayo ng ating spirit. Okay? Ng ating mga spirit guides. Okay? It's time to get up. Tama na yan. Okay? It's not just for me, it's for you as well. Sa lahat ng mga kapatid kong viewers. Okay? The star viewers here. Again, it's time to get up. As a reminder, who are you? You are destined to be successful. You are destined to have a happy family. Okay? It's time to get up, forget the past lover, stalking, okay? Tapusin mo na yung pag-stalk mo sa mga taong hindi naman para sa'yo or they don't care about you at all. Okay? Or siguro, stop watching on any social media or anybody's life. Parang kino-compare mo siguro yung buhay mo sa ibang buhay. Kaya minsan parang, buti pa siya mayaman, ako mahirap. You need to stop. Okay? Tapusin mo na yan. Okay? You have to focus on something else. Okay? And manifest. Dapat talaga focus ka sa minamanifest mo. Hindi yung comparing your life to other people. Comparing your status to other people. Or sa trabaho. O sa ginagawa mo. You need to stop doing that. Okay? Yeah. Alright. Let's move on. Okay? So again, always think, sino ka nga ba talaga? Ano ba talaga ang ano mo dito sa buhay? Okay? So, you need to stop on overthinking, overanalyzing, comparing your life to others. Okay? Kasi lahat tayo dito sa mundong ito, meron tayong kanya-kanyang mission. And we are destined, okay, to be successful in a different way. Hindi naman kailangan talaga napaka-success natin, at least ma-accomplish natin ang ating mission sa buhay. Okay? That's why we are here for. Okay? Kasi may kanya-kanya tayong mission sa buhay. Okay? Na dapat nating gampanin. So, Spirit Guide Angels, ano ang advice mo sa ating viewers at this moment? Ang advice. See, target. 2 of Swords. Okay? Nakukuha ko yung target, oh. Okay? So, target. Focus talaga, no? Alam nyo guys, iba yung nakikita mo sa nararamdaman mo. Okay? So, hold on. And I'm also getting like, bahala na si Batman. Yung may ginagawa ka, and then parang, bahala na si Batman. Yun ang nakukuha kong energy. Bahala na si Batman. So, again guys, the message here, meron kasi, okay. So, ang mensahe dito nakukuha ko para sa'yo, do not let other people to tell you what to do. Follow your intuition. Okay? Huwag mong hayaan ang ibang tao ang mag-control sa'yo. Ikaw dapat ang mag-control sa buhay mo. And that's why the universe is telling you, who are you? Sino ka nga ba? Okay? Yeah, sino ka nga ba? Okay? Kasi meron ditong mga taong, oh, gawin mo to, ganyan-ganyan. But then there's against inside you na hindi mo ma-explain or talagang minsan, hindi mo gusto. Okay? So, do not be blind. Siguro sa relationship, ganun din. Okay? You have been blinded. Okay? Meron ditong realization. I can't believe na nangyari to sa akin. I can't believe na kinukontrol ako or inuuto ako ng taong ito. Okay? So, this is the right time to open your eyes. Kasi minsan, nakabukas yung mata mo, pero hindi mo pa rin nakikita yung buong buo. Again, follow your intuition, the gut feeling. Nakukuha mo, nakakasense ka man, but then kasi you don't believe in yourself. Okay, hindi mo pinapakinggan ang sarili mo. Because hindi mo nakikita. But again, you need to feel, okay, your gut feeling. Hindi lang sa nakikita mo. Open your eyes. Open that blindfold. Okay? Yung nakasampiring sa mata mo. So that's the message for you here to all my beloved viewers. So, one last message from your spirit animals. Kasi I'm getting like, ang dami ninyo ditong spirit animals, guys. Okay? Spirit guide angels, ano ang inyong mensahe sa ating mga minamahal na kapatid na viewers? Okay? Alright, the fox. Clever. Okay? Matalino kayo, tuso, and a loving parent, a loving children, kapatid, kaibigan, mapagmahal kayo. Confirm ito. You are swift and smart. Solutions to problems are easily found. Always listen to your instincts. See? Always listen. Okay, confirm ito. Kailangan talaga pakinggan ninyo ang inyong instinct, ang inyong gut feeling, ang inyong nararamdaman. Okay? So, resources surround you. Be open to romance. Okay? Marami naman kayong mga resources eh. Okay? Marami kayong makuhanan ng mga tulong, okay? Na mga ideas. Okay? So, huwag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa. So, this is a calling for you. Ito ay tinatawag, tawag ng Panginoon sa inyo or tawag ng inyong angel guides, spirit animals. Who are you? As a reminder, you are smart. You are clever. Okay? Marami kayong mga resources. You need to listen to your instinct, your intuition, because you guys are very intuitive. Alright? So, hanggang dito na lang sa lahat ng aking mga minamahal na kapatid na star viewers. Mag-ingat po kayo. And sana nakaresonate kayo at natutuwa kayo sa reading na ito. At maraming salamat sa pagbigay ng oras dito sa aking The Star Talking Tarot. Okay, sa panunod niyo dito sa aking reading. And pasensya na kung hindi man ako nakaka-respond. Again, nakakatuwa po. Okay, na nakita ko yung mga mensahe niyo doon sa aking mga positive message lang doon sa aking The Star Talking Tarot. Okay, I love you guys. Mag-ingat po kayo and God bless you all. Bye!